Hi everyone, it's Dunja from the creative team here, and I have artist trading coins for you today, and you will see a lot of dirty hands from me today. First I cut circles with a diameter of 2.5 inch. That's the size for artist trading coins, and one's from cardboard and one's from cardstock, and I glued them together for more stability. First everything has to be primed. For this I used white and black gesso, and when everything is dry I glued elements on them like pieces of wood and textured tape, which gives a great effect at the end. And this will be completely primed again in white or black. Now I've used another modeling paste. It's a transparent one, and I put small balls into it and mix them together and bring them on the artist trading coins. Now I take care of the decoration. I picked some flower stems from rubber bands and have some leftover gel prints. I love the texture and the patterns. And yeah, have you ever tasted this? It is just fabulous and it's addictive, for sure. Now we stamp the flowers directly onto the gel print. I'll still use the anesthetic powder tool, and then I stamp it and emboss it with the Wow Metallic Gold Rich Superfine embossing powder. Then I've cut out the flower, and we'll do some more stamping and embossing on my gel prints with these flower stamps. At the end I will have 2 large and 3 small flowers. It's the same process as the first flower. You can see what I mean when I say I love the result of these gel prints, and I like to use them with this heat embossing. Next I took the gilding bags and colored the circles with it. Do not use too much of the gilding bags. It's very yeah, you need a feeling. Do it with your fingers, not with the brush. And you can always wear some gloves, that's not a problem. Then there is no right or wrong to use them, just the way you like it, right? You know what I mean. That's the most important thing, as always. And look at that shiny and shimmery. It is just the golden one, and I will use another color later on. As you can see, on black it always looked different than white. It's wonderful to see this blue even in combination with the gold, isn't it? That's really amazing. Now let's go on with another part of the wow embossing powders. This one is by Seth Apter. It is very beautiful and it would give the perfect addition to the blue and gold. I use a piece of bubble foil and just press it into the ink pad and transfer it to the coins and then sprinkle the powder on it and heat emboss it. And then I repeat this step with the other artist trading coins and emboss it with the Seth Apter's Blue Moon embossing powder. I use some twine and wrap it around the circles, and after that I will glue the flowers we made earlier with some hot glue to my artist trading coins. At this point I have to say please be careful because the embossing can get very hot and a bit of liquid again, so please take care, use a scissor or something similar to help you place the flowers on the artist trading coins. The last step is that we will add some sentiments. For this I have embossed these stems gold on black cardstock, and then I cut out the matching words and glue them on my coins as well. And here are some close-ups of the artist trading coins. I hope you had fun and will do it once. Have a good time, stay creative, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our Facebook group for more inspirations. See you soon. Bye bye.